This is the club, where we are standing, This is Dadar Union Sporting Club. Well, Mr. Mantri was one of the founder members of this club, and all throughout he's played his local tournaments for Dadar Union. I was lucky to be associated with Mr. Mantri first as a cricketer, and then afterwards, as an administrator. When I played for Dadar Union, Mr. Mantri was a captain, but he was in his late 40s, and then he never kept wickets for Dadar Union. I couldn't see him from close quarter, him as a wicketkeeper. It was Mr. Naren Damane who took over from him. Mantri, I saw him as a batsman. His specialty was his square cut and pull shots. It was typical way of his handling that shot, He used to put his hands together and pull it or square cut with forceful, with all force. Mr. Mantri was a great captain. I can assure you, he was one of the best captain I ever seen, in Mumbai cricket. There are many instances I can quote about his captaincy. He was a typical captain. He would keep field placing according to the strong and weak points of a batsman. I remember first match of Arun Vardhe playing for Dadar Union. He arranged the field placing according to the batsman, his viewpoint. But Arun Vardhe, thought of having some changes in the field placing. Mr. Mantri was standing in the first place, Then he told him from there only, Mr. Vardhe, go ahead, don't worry about the field placing. You learn to bowl from according to the field placing made by the captain. And Vardhe took five wickets against strong Shivaji Park Gymkhana team. He was typical, he was typical against, especially against Shivaji Park Gymkhana. His field placing was amazing. For Mr. Manjrekar, he was one of the finest batsmen India has produced. Then he would field placing for Hardikar would be different. For Mr. M.S. Patil, Sandeep Bhadra would be different. Sudhakar Adhikari, it would be different. Ajit Wadekar, it would be different. So one match I remember, it was a Talim field, 50 host match, and he kept Manjrekar, as you may be knowing, he had all the time in the world to play his shots, especially his glance, He would just put it, at the last minute, even the ball is pitched on the off-hand middle stump, and play it very fine. So Mantri plucked that one single run there. And Manjrekar was getting difficult, was finding it difficult to get runs, Out of frustration, he shouted, Madhav, why don't you remove that filter? I'm not getting runs there. That was the admiration of Mr. Manjrekar for Mr. Mantri as a captain. One Ganga League match, as I said, he was very good captain. He was a very good leader of the pitch. One Ganga League match, I remember, we were playing against Dadar Shivaji Park. Mantri, as a captain of Dadar Union, won the toss and put Shivaji Park into bat. It was a rain-affected match. As you know, Ganga League is played during the rainy season. It was soft wicket. And Dadar Union, V.S. Patil, Narayan Pai, Arun Vardhe, they ran through the Shivaji Park side. And they were bundled out for 60. As they were getting out, the sun had come out. It was a bright sunshine. When umpires asked Mr. Mantri which roller he would prefer, he simply said, no, today I don't want any roller. Everyone was surprised. After the game, we won the match very comfortably. That too against the attack of Ramakant Desai, Balu Gupte, Hardikar, Shivalkar. Great attack. But on that soft wicket, we won comfortably. So after the game, as a student of the game, I asked Mr. Mantri what was the reason he did not apply ask for the roller. He looked at me, smiled at me and said, good, you asked me this question. He said, as you notice, there was a dampness in the pitch. If I was, and sun had come out, If I was to use the roller, perhaps the dampness, the water remained what was left in the ground under the surface would have come out and the wicket would have become drying. And it would have been very difficult to score even those 60 runs against the attack of Ramakant Desai, Balu Gupte, Haldikar and Shivalkar. That was Mr. Mantri. I can assure you, this is the unique example in Kanga League. I have played Kanga League for 50 years, long, and still associated with the Kanga League tournament. And I can assure you, this is the only instance in history of Kanga League. The captain did not ask for the roller, batting second. That was Mr. Mantri. Once Mr. Sunil Gavaskar asked me about his captaincy. So I narrated 2-3 things what I mentioned just now. And I forgot afterwards, As I said, I was working as a committee member with him, with Mr. Mantri. One evening he called me in his cabin and he said, "Kai re maji badnami ke liye Sunil Gade." I was shocked, I said, what, how can I talk ill against you as a cricketer, as a captain, as a person? Then he started laughing and he said, Sunil asked me if I was to be his opponent and as a captain, how he would have kept the field blessing for him. Mantri looked at him and said, I would have kept one fielder behind the umpire and plucked your straight drives. And I would have kept one fielder on the right side of the right hand of the side of the leg umpire and plucked you off the flick, off the toes and off the pad shots. Sunil raised his hand and said, surrender. So all this story Mr. Mantri told me. As I said, then thereafter, I worked with him as an administrator also. He was chairman of the bank. I have seen him working there as a chairman of the bank. Then he was trustee of IS High School also. So he had played very different roles in his life. And I was lucky to be associated with him as a cricketer, as an administrator, as an appreciator and whatnot. Thank you very much.